You are the star of your movie. Your friends are the people you're going to feature in this movie. So you have to pick your cast wisely. Different people have to play different roles in your life, meaning there should be friends for different things, okay? Hello, hope you're doing well. Let's talk about friends or friendship. So, friendship is about loyalty. Simply put, a friend is a person you can trust, someone who offers you support, who promotes your self confidence, who makes your life better, who improves your life mentally. A friend is someone that knows you personally, while an acquaintance is just someone you know. You don't know much about this person, and this person doesn't know much about you. So you see, you can't just call everybody your friend. It's good to know the difference because that is why we feel so sad most times when we expect so much from people and they don't do as we expect them to do. It's because we're the only one in that friendship. The person doesn't even see us as a friend. All these things we are saying, my friend, my friend, my friend. Is that person truly your friend? Does that person actually take you as his or her friend? It's important to know your place in people's lives. Know your worth. Don't be desperate for friends. So while in the quest to make new friends, you have to know that genuine people are rare. Genuine friendship or genuine friends are rare. Genuine friendship happens organically, okay? It just flows with time. It is not something that happens overnight. Oh, we are besties. I need to tell this person everything about me. This person has to know my deep secrets. This person has to know the deepest part of my life. There's some things you should keep to yourself. Most things about you, not even some things, most things about you, you should keep them to yourself, okay? You shouldn't be talking. I want to share. I feel like talking to someone. I want to share with my friend. Are you sure you are your friend's friend? You want to share. I want to talk. I want to vent. I want to open up to someone. Why don't you talk to your God? Sit down in your room and say, God, let's talk. Let's do tete-a-tete. Cry to your God. I'm not saying that everybody out there are bad. No. There are very few genuine people out there. People that will fuck with you. People that regard you. People that will protect you. People that will take you as their own. Are they there? Yes, they are out there. So that's why you need to be patient. You don't need to be desperate because you want to make new friends. While you're trying to make friends, listen and trust your instincts. Our instincts never ever lie. If you're having bad vibes about someone or something, if you're having any vibe, I don't even understand. There's how my body is doing me about this person or this thing. Trust your instinct and just move away, okay? Disappear, vanish. Woo! Phew! You don't need to understand why you're feeling a certain way about somebody or something or one situation. Just take yourself off that situation, off the whole thing totally. You don't have to try to make sense of why you're feeling a certain way. There's no two ways about it. You have to know that you are the people you surround yourself with. You know this saying, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. You are five people you surround yourself with. My dear, it's true. If you're hanging around negative person, around bitter person, around someone that gossips, around someone that doesn't want to do better for his or her life, with time you're going to start thinking like that. Because the person's thinking, the person's way of life will eventually start rubbing off on you. So you shouldn't allow everybody woo into your life. Everybody shouldn't be co-stars and you shouldn't, what the fuck? You shouldn't feature everybody in your life. Everybody shouldn't be featuring in your movie. You should select. You should be selective. You should be picky with the people you allow in your life. Okay? Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with people that should build you up. People that are even better than you. And you will learn and level up and become magnifique. Your plan is to be top notch in this world, to be your best and not to be mediocre. And beware that if you're talking, they're like, yes, go, 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 go. When you talk, they're like, yes, wait, let this person talk first. There is no gain in it though. Go to people that are higher than you, people that know better than you. So when they are talking, you're like, wow, I didn't know these things before. Go to people better than you. They are the ones that can push and, you know, forge you to be a better person. Or even people on the same level with you, not people that you are way better. People that in their midst, you are the best. Amongst all your friends, you are the best. When you talk, they respect you. There's no gain in it. So lean towards people that are better than you. People that your small wins or your big wins will not look woo. They will be jealous of you or start plotting against you. beware of friends. The only people that can hurt you are the people you are close to. Because you feel safe around them, you trust them so much. Especially someone you've never had conflicts with. The devil doesn't use people you don't know. The devil uses people you know. Because they're the ones that know you in and out. So just beware because people can change their mind, right? It's not hard for people to change their mind against you. People can be bought. Most people have a price. Don't trust nobody. Nobody. Now let's talk about how to deal with toxic friends. If you have any toxic friend around you in your life, what do you have to do? Do you allow the toxin to still be there? You cut it off, you treat it, you throw it away. You cut them off. You disappear. You don't need to explain yourself. You don't need to try to make sense of it. You don't need you guys to come and you don't need closure. You just move away from it. So let's talk about what you should look out for in a friend, which is qualities of a good friend. Someone that can communicate is number one. Someone that can let you know when you do something bad, like something they don't like. Someone that can let you know when you hurt them, when you made them upset, Someone that will let you know when they're angry with you. Okay, someone should be able to express themselves. I'm someone that can communicate. I want to express myself in a very mature way. I don't like carrying things or people in my heart. I don't have that energy. I can't. People that hold grudges, people that can't communicate are the most poisonous people. I'm sorry to say that. That's why sometimes you hear one day that someone was poisoned by their friends. Other thing is someone that when you tell them bad news or bad things that happen to you, they won't start telling you how you'd have done that thing better. Like someone that listens, someone that won't correct or make you feel bad when you're already feeling bad. Or someone that will start telling you how that same thing happened to them once. They will not start derailing the conversation. Okay, this conversation will not leave you and start focusing on them. How did we get to you? This conversation is about me and me in tears. How did we get to you? It's okay for your friends to share in your bad times, and you understand what I'm trying to say. I know you do. Someone that when you have good news, you tell them your good news and they help you celebrate. They cheer you on. They are happy for you. Not someone that when you share your good moments, your achievements, your good news with, they will start belittling your achievements. You want to make me feel bad because of me achieving this thing? This is my glory. Allow me to shine. Someone that wants you to be your best self. Someone that wants you to excel. They encourage you to be better. Someone that wants you to shine. Not someone that wants to dim your lights. Someone that wants you to go low. Why? Why do you want to see me fail? If someone is like that, move far away from the person. You should surround yourself with people who want the best for you, who want you to live a better life. Not people trying to pull you down. Okay? No. If someone isn't good for your development, for your good, you move away from that person, far, far away. If you end up putting up with it, you are enabling it. You are encouraging that person to be like that. And it's you that is going to bear the consequences. It's you, not me. So other thing is someone that can vouch for you, who can defend you in public. If there's anything that comes up, the person will be like, I know this person is my friend. This person can never ever do this. Someone that trusts you, someone that believes in you. That is someone you need in your corner. Someone who is secretive, okay? Someone who doesn't talk too much. Someone who doesn't keep so many friends, because most likely your business is going to be out there. If you tell them, the person is going to go and tell the next person and say, oh, don't tell the next person. The next person is going to go and tell the next person and say, don't tell the next person. Your story, things you share with someone shouldn't be entertainment for other people. So you need someone that knows how to keep their mouth shut. You need someone who is considerate and not only kind. You should also look out for someone that, when good opportunities come, can refer you. If there's any opportunity out there, the person can call your name in that room. The person can give you business deals. I know that it's hard for friends to support friends, but there are people out there that actually take their friends personal, They fuck with their friends' business. They carry their friends' business on their head like gala. You should look out for friends like that. And in as much as we are trying to look out for these things in other people, we should also try to be these things we want to see in other people in ourselves. Okay? It starts from us. When we become better, that is when we can have better people out there in the world. and we can all mingle and be better friends. Another thing is someone who do not abandon or betray friends. Sometime this year I was calmed. I was calmed of everything I had. And some of the people I call my friends, okay, let me say acquaintances, but I was thinking they were my friends because I've shared a bond with them before. Some of them did not even reach out to me. My point is, someone that is your friend should be able to sympathize with you, should be there for you in your bad time. They will not abandon you. They will not act as if they have amnesia or they are blind when they see you passing through hard times. Your friend should be there for you in your good and bad time. Not only when it's good for you, not only when things are okay for you. It's when things are bad for us that we know who our real friends are. Know this and know peace. Anyways, this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did enjoy. Yes, I enjoyed shooting it for you guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a big, massive thumbs up. Leave a comment below. I don't like the fact that you guys don't engage with my videos. You guys don't talk to me in the comment section. It's as if I'm talking to myself. I'm doing this video for you. It's for you I'm doing this video. It's not for me. Please talk to me in the comment section. Let's carry the conversation on over there. Share this video with your friend or friends or acquaintance on your social media. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Check out these two videos here. Pick anyone and click on. Subscribe here, click here and subscribe. I can't wait to see you in any of these videos here. Bye.